practical is for SYBSc practicals, that is detection of blood groups and RH factor. Now before starting with the practical work, first we'll understand about blood group system. Now this blood groups, they come in 4 different forms, that is A, B, AB and O. Now these 4 different forms of blood group were introduced by Dr. Karl Landsteiner. And this system is also called as Landsteiner system, or it is also called as ABO system. Now before starting with the blood groups, the actual practicals, will understand about antigen and antibodies. Now what are antigens? Antigens basically are foreign particles. When these foreign particles, they enter our body, they start giving a new start for infection. So to fight against those foreign particles, our body start making antibodies. So basically this is made inside your body. Now antigen, this is an RBC, red blood cell. On the surface of the red blood cell, your antigen is present. Okay, so what we'll be doing is, now we'll be taking a slide. On that slide we'll be pouring 3 drops of blood, and in that blood we'll be introducing antisera A, antisera B and antisera O. Now how to confine with the result? If I'll just draw a macro image of the blood group. Okay, so I'll just draw this blood drops in a macro image. So these are my 3 blood drops. Inside that blood will be present. So when I add antisera A, and if I found clumping, that is agglutination in my first drop, and if there is no change, here I'll be finding agglutination. In simple words, I called it as clumping. Here there will be no change, and if here as well I get the clumping again, so my blood group will be A positive. If there is no clump, if there is no change in my O, that is here in antisera D, if there are no changes, means there is no clumping, means my blood group will be A negative. If I found the clumping in antisera B, then my blood group will be B. And if I again get the clumping in the antisera D, then it is positive. If there is no clumping, means it is negative. But if there are no changes in all the 3 drops, that means a person is having a blood group that is O. If no clumping here, means O negative, and if you find clumping, it is called as O positive. Whereas if you find clumping in antisera A, antisera B, then the person possesses a blood group called as AB. And again, if you find the clumping in antisera D as well, that is A में आपको clumping मिल रहा है, B में भी आपको clumping मिल रहा है, and antisera T में भी आपको clumping मिल रहा है, means the person is having a blood group called as AB positive. And if there is no change in the antisera D, means the person is having a blood group that is AB negative. Now for this practical, you need a clean slide, 1 lens set, the alcohol to swab your finger, and a clean cotton. Now what you have to simply do is, you have to take your ring finger and you have to take it downwards. You have to give a small massage to your finger so that the blood gets collected on the tip. You can see as I'm massaging, my tip is getting red up. Okay, reddened up. Now what I'll be doing is, I'll be taking a small cotton, I'll be dipping it in the alcohol, and I'll be swabbing my finger. Now after doing this procedure, I'll be just discarding the content in a proper container. Okay. Now what I'll be doing is, I'll be taking my lens set and simply I'm gonna give a prick on my finger. So as you can see, the blood has oozed out. Now I'll simply give 3 drops. Now what you will be doing is you will be adding the 3 antiseras which I have already taken. Now your antisera A, it comes in a blue bottle, your antisera B comes in a yellow bottle, whereas your antisera D comes in a white bottle. Now what you have to do is simply add a drop of antisera A in the first drop, just one drop. Antisera B in the second. And antisera D in the third drop. Now you just have to wait for a few seconds and then you will see that whether clumping occurs or no. Just mix it well so that you can see the clumping. Okay, now as you can see the clumping, that is agglutination in the first antisera, that is antisera A. There are no changes in antisera B, but you can see the clumping again in antisera D. This means that the person has a blood group called as A positive. So this is how you detect blood group and RH factor. That's it.